How to download songs with Chrome on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to download songs with Chrome on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Chrome application on your iPhone. After you open Chrome application, from there, you'll have to just search for any songs you want to just find. After you search for that in Chrome, you can find all of the links that will directly provide the interface where you can download that song like Spotify or any legal website platform that allows download. Simply have to tap on that. After that, you can get the playlist or songs you want to just download, but make sure you are downloading from a legal website or platform. iPhone doesn't save download directly to your music, but you can select save to file or you can save inside the application. After that, you can just access your song by opening Files app or that music application. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.